What does the industry look for in an institution? It seeks a place that creates thinkers who can adapt, innovators who can lead, and professionals who can deliver from day one. It looks for talent that is sharp, confident, and prepared for the real world. At PSIT, this vision becomes reality every single day. The institute has built an ecosystem designed to nurture future-ready professionals and individuals who not only understand technology but also know how to use it to transform ideas into impact. Students here don't just study generative AI, natural language processing, or expandable AI. At PSIT, they live them. From research labs to classrooms, AI is woven into every discipline. They learn to integrate it into projects, innovation challenges, and even everyday problem solving. This approach builds the mindset that industries value most: application-based learning rooted in creativity and precision. Every PSITian goes through a structured process that mirrors the professional world. Technical training sessions sharpen skills, hands-on projects turn theory into practice, and every classroom lesson is backed by real-world applications. Regular hackathons, case studies, and tech competitions push students to test their knowledge, collaborate, and innovate beyond boundaries. At every step, futuristic mentorship plays a key role. Experts, faculty, and industry leaders guide students towards mastering emerging technologies, understanding business needs, and developing the professional discipline that sets them apart. The results speak for themselves. PSIT alumni are making their mark across leading companies, while top recruiters continue to return year after year, seeking the quality and competence that PSIT consistently delivers. This is how PSIT fulfills industry expectations, not through promises, but through performance. It builds individuals who think critically, act decisively, and evolve continuously. PSIT stands as a bridge between education and enterprise, where every student learns to meet the demands of today and the possibilities of tomorrow. It's more than a preparation, it's transformation.